friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will come to know about what you are going to learn in this course in detail. So far, you have already learned about what is Vedic Mathematics and what are the benefits of learning it. You also know about how to learn this course and you know about your trainer. Now let us explore the other contents of this course. The first one, we will start with there are prerequisites to increase speed of mathematical calculation. As you understand that speed of doing calculation in mathematics is very, very important. Apart from you learning the formulas and all other things, if your speed is not good, then you cannot do your calculations quickly. So how to do that? How to increase your speed of mathematical calculations? After that, we will see a very simple operation, that is addition. Addition is a very simple operation, but there are various ways of doing operation. Doing this operation of addition quickly and with a lot of convenience. And you'll see what are the ways and means by which we can do that addition operation quickly and with convenience. And the next you are going to learn about subtraction. Subtraction again is a very easy operation, but at times when you do subtraction, if you can do it quickly, it is really going to help us in doing the overall calculations. So how to do that? How to make your subtraction quickly, very quickly, with the blink of your eyes, we'll learn that in the section of subtraction. After that, we'll go to the very important topics of multiplication, and we'll start with multiplication tables. As you know that multiplication tables are for the children, it sometimes becomes very difficult to remember the tables. So you'll see here how to very easily remember the tables, and we can calculate it mentally, and we know about the multiplication tables very easily. So you'll learn the multiplication tables of 12 to 19, how to do it quickly. And also we'll learn the multiplication table of 1 to 100, how to do it quickly. After that, we'll go to the spatial multiplication techniques. Various spatial multiplication techniques. In particular, you will initially see the multiplication by 5 and 25, 4 and 8, how we can multiply with these few numbers quickly and with a lot of convenience. After that, we will see the mental multiplication. In multiplication, there are various calculations you can do mentally and very easily. So in the mental multiplication section, we will see how to multiply numbers between 11 to 19 easily and very quickly, and you will be astonished to see it how quickly you can do it. And then we'll see another operation of mental multiplication, multiplication by 11. It's a wonderful thing. You will be surprised to see how quickly you can multiply any number with 11. After that, we'll learn how to multiply numbers using the base. When you are multiplying two numbers, and by using the base, we can multiply those numbers very easily, and we'll see that wonderful process of doing multiplication. After that, we'll see another multiplication by multiplication by 9. Multiplication by 9 means multiply any number with 9, 99, 999 or 9999, any number of 9s, how you can multiply it with any number and with very ease and convenience. After that, we'll see in the process of multiplication, there are certain multiplications for which you do not have any formula or you do not have any shortcuts. And in that case, what method we should use so that we can really and quickly multiply any two numbers, right? So multiplication of vertical and crosswise for 2 digits and 3 digits, that we'll see as our next topics. After that, we'll shift over to another topic, operation in fractions. In particular, we'll see how to make addition, subtraction of fractions, and you will also learn how to compare fractions with each other. Two different fractions, how to compare those. After that, we'll see very important topics, division by Nikhilam Sutra. In particular, we will learn how to divide any number by 9 and by 8 easily without any difficulty at all. And that's a very, very wonderful process and very wonderful topics of Vedic mathematics. After that, we will see the squaring of numbers, and in particular the numbers which are ending in 5. the squaring of numbers which are ending in 5, how to square those numbers easily and with a lot of convenience. And then you will see the squaring of numbers near base. Those numbers which are near base, how we can square those numbers easily, quite easily. And after that, we are going to a very important topic, the square root of perfect square numbers. How in the blink of eyes you can tell the square root of any number which are perfect squares, right? And after that, you will see the cubing of numbers close to the base. Cubing of numbers which are close to base, and also the cubing of 2-digit numbers with easily and with lot of convenience. That's a very wonderful topic. And after that, our next topics will be the cube root of perfect cube numbers. We have seen the square root of perfect perfect squares. Here you will see the cube root of perfect cube numbers easily and with a lot of convenience. After that, we will see the divisibility of numbers between 2 to 10. How we can find out the divisibility of any numbers which are between 2 to 10, and we can predict that whether the number will be divided by a particular number or not. And then our next topics will be the concept of digit sums. The concept of digit sums are used for various purposes. In particular, we can check the digit numbers, whether any calculation of multiplication, division or any other thing is correct or not. We can check it to a large extent, we can check it and confirm it by using the digit sum concepts. So these are the topics which you are going to learn, and these are all wonderful topics, and each and every topic is very important in itself, and which are going to create a foundation for our advanced topics of advanced Vedic mathematics. So I request you to take proper interest in it, listen to my whatever I say here, and note down those important topics, important points and concepts, and then you should practice it as far as possible by you. Also, whatever assignments I give you, use that, learn it, practice it in yourself, because the more you practice, the more you will learn. So in this videos, so far you have learned what you will learn in this particular course. And in the next video, we are going to learn about the requirements to increase the speed of mathematical calculations, the sutras and sub-sutras, and how to use those in Vedic mathematics, right? That's a very important topics. Now, please ask in the comments box if you have got any question. Please don't feel shy to ask me any question, because if you ask me any question, I'll be very happy to reply to your questions, all right? Now, I'm going to upload the same video in Hindi language. This is in English. I'm going to upload it in the same video in Hindi language. For those who are interested to learn in Hindi, it will come shortly. So please, if you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and share it with others. Now, till the time I meet you again with a new video, with our next video, all the best. Please take care of yourself.